my goodness, I'm nervous. Stalling? Yeah, I was stalling. I'm sorry. No, I actually went upstairs to quickly just change my shirt because I was already sweating. I had to put on a dark color. I'm scared. Oh, I can't believe I'm actually about to do this. This is crazy. This is nuts. Look at this. We have tweezers. What's this? Is this like a socket wrench? What is this? Is this a screwdriver? What is this? I don't know what any of this stuff is. What case am I building in? That one. Okay, I'm gonna test the cam for you guys now, okay? Hopefully it didn't change its white balance again. Okay, it's not the highest quality cam because, like, you know, this is what I have. I don't have like another cam link to set up some crazy camera for you, but good? Hi, these are my hands. This is so strange for me. Yeah, good? Okay, KTruth, you can't take 10 years to type. Grab the motherboard first. Okay, good, because you sometimes do that, where it takes you forever. Okay, so we're gonna need the motherboard first. All right, fine. That's this one, right? Yes, I know that this is this one, because it's MSI. Okay, I need to focus though. See, this is the thing. I'm not gonna be worried about making this interesting or cute for you guys. I have to focus on this, because this stuff was expensive. Wow, fantastic. Sorry, that was probably really loud. Listen, this is gonna... There's a DVD in here. Do I need this? Do I need this? I don't... I'm gonna leave it in the box for now. Do I need any of these cables? Oh, this looks really scary. Okay, place the motherboard on top of that electrostatic bag on your mouse pad. What electrostatic bag? What? This? Oh, static sensitive device. No, it just says static sensitive device. What static bag? What are you talking about? Do I need scissors? I didn't bring scissors. Can I flip this upside down? Am I gonna hurt it? Listen, okay? This is my gaming PC. First one I've ever built myself. Only the second one I'm never gonna have, because I only had one before that, MSI. It's in the static bag. In this bag. Okay. Great. Can I just, like, touch this? Like, it seems very delicate. It seems like there's, like, a lot of little tiny pins and... I can touch it? Oh, geez. I feel like I need gloves. There's, like, a button. It's, like, written in Braille. This is... Wow. Computers for blind people. Like, all this stuff on the bottom. Am I gonna bend any of this? What if I bend one of those pins in? Is it supposed to... This looks important. That piece right there looks important to me. It's not as flimsy as you can... Yes, you can... Okay. Wait, let me... Oh, I'm scared. Okay. On the bag! On the bag. Okay, on the bag. On the bag. On the bag. My bad. On the bag. Okay. We gotta make sure our workstation is neat, okay? Neat and tidy. How's the camera? Oh, wow. This actually looks pretty good. Okay. All right. Now go get the CPU. Oh, damn. I don't know what just fell now. Oh shit. It was my focus. Can you guys still hear me? It was my focus right. Why would you fall? What was anyone doing to you? Okay, CPU. That's the AMD thing? This thing? Yes? Okay. I got the CPU. I got it. It's right here. I want to open this! I'm assuming I need to open it. I haven't been told to open it, but I'm gonna open it.
Heart.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be able to open this. What the hell? Is this like anti-security, anti-theft sticker? This thing is crazy. How do I open this? Anti-Gala? Look, she's gonna fuck it up. I'm not. Wait, am I? Well, it can't be that delicate. There's gotta be a reason there's this big box. I feel like it's supposed to be able to bend back. How come I can't open this? Yes, open it. Okay, yeah, well, I'm trying. This sticker has to come off, right? But like, look at the way the box is. Like, I have to take that off? Careful of pins. Oh, here. You need a knife. A knife. I do have one. A really crappy one. Oh, wow. Now it's so easy to open. Dumb. Alright. This is it? Just this? What the hell is in this box? Oh, what is this? This is a fan. Some sort of fan. Okay. Got you. I'm already doing this? I'm already on this step? Okay, I'm opening this. It popped up a little bit. I take this out of the package. Is this delicate? My hands have a little bit of lotion on them. Is that okay? Yes, it's really delicate. I kind of bumped it already. Oh shit. Okay. Really, only touch the edge. Wash it off in the sink first. I have a feeling that's a troll. Oh.
You're going to see a little triangle in one of the corners, and you're going to match that triangle on the CPU with the triangle that's on the motherboard.
Now. It's like pointing to something, but I don't see it on the motherboard.
Look at the picture.
What triangle? Oh! Okay, okay, okay. How do I know I'm putting it in the right spot? Like, there's so many different... I'm really scared to do this. How do I know I'm positioning it correctly? I'm not very good at centering stuff with my eyeballs. Do I just drop it on there?
It's just gonna fall right in there. The pins are gonna fall right in the holes.
Yeah, but if...
Pretty much.
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, okay, okay. Do I press it? Do I press on it?
Okay, now you're gonna put the tension rod back down, and it's gonna slide itself into place.
Okay, don't press on it. Do I click it? Am I supposed to be hearing a click? I'm terrified to break this. Okay, I dropped it in, and now I'm just gonna... Do I push the tension rod down?
Just lock into place.
Just push it down? I can't mess this up? Okay, I did it. It doesn't look level, though. No, one side is more down than the other. KTruth, I think I fucked it up.
Oh, yeah, that's that's not right. Okay, so take
okay.
that.
Okay.
Yeah, so unseat it.
Okay. And then?
And you have it in the right direction, so just kind of wiggle it so all the pins fall into the right holes.
It won't go in. It won't go in on that side. On like the left side, it won't go in by itself. It's like...
Wait, hang on.
Oh, broken? No, I've been very gentle, I swear. I've been super gentle. I've been really gentle. I didn't break it. Don't say that. Triangle with triangle. Okay, well, hang on, because you're answering me delayed, and it's making me want to, like, rip your head off. So just 1 second. No, just sorry. Yeah, it's just, like, sitting on an angle. Like... Oh. I think I got it. But I don't press on it myself. I just put the tension rod down. Okay, yeah. What's gonna happen if it's in the wrong spot and I put the tension rod down? Is it gonna crunch it and break it?
And you'll feel like major resistance if it was in the wrong place.
Yeah, but aren't I gonna break it?
No, it's not it's not that strong. It just holds it in place and locks the pins into their like right spot. It would take a lot of force for you to snap the pins.
I think I've got it. Like, is this what it's supposed to look like? Hang on, let me send you another picture.
Yeah, it should be sitting flat.
Like, no visible pinnage? Because I can definitely still see pins. Are you sure I'm not supposed to press on this? I mean, it's like in there. Like, I'm trying to take it out right now. I can't get it out.
Okay, all right, then that's we'll move forward from there. Okay, go get the RAM now.
Okay. Are you sure I didn't mess this up?
Yes, go get the RAM. Because we'll boot it up, and if it doesn't see the CPU, then we'll know we have to fix it.
Like, this is what it looked like from the side. Is that too much pin? Like, it's just resting. I know you told me not to ask chat, okay? But like, listen, we're just talking.
It's all right.
It's correct. That's perfect. That's 100% not in. They're saying it's not. And then people are saying it's good. Seems okay. Yeah, nah, that's not okay. It's a 50-50 in chat right now. You guys are the worst.
I feel like it's supposed to sit a bit flatter than that, but it's not going to hurt it when we turn it on, so we'll know.
Can I break this? Is this delicate? This looks pretty tough. It has the name Jaws on it. Oh. Okay. We need predictions for this. Oh my god, you guys are so rude. I hate you. Like, I'm not, from looking at it from the top, it looks like it's perfect. But then I put my head, like, I look at it, like, from, like, down, and it's still, I'm, like, worried that this is not good. How can I mess it up, though? It's fine. Ram. Just ram it in.
Alright, ram that.
Does it matter which way it's facing?
Yeah, you can only go one way.
Oh. Do I move these little clips back? I remember that from the video.
Yep.
I don't think that's the right clip. Oh.
Yep. Move all the clips back.
On one side or both sides?
Both sides. Because they'll both snap in when you push it down.
I don't think that side is moving. It seems like that side is stationary. Now, is the logo this way?
You'll see the, it can only go in one
way.
direction.
I see what you're saying. Because there's like a little slot. I can't mess this up though. This isn't as delicate, right? Wait, it's not in the right spot.
Don't snap it, but it can take quite a bit of force.
Don't snap it. It's not lining up. It doesn't fit. It's over. You need force? Okay. I'm using like a fairy's touch right now because I'm scared.
Yeah, you can push it down pretty hard.
Oh, okay.
But
I heard like a crunch. What? But like, how far is it supposed to go?
Until the outside clips go up into place.
They definitely did not do that. Oh, okay. No, I don't like that. I don't like this sound. Am I putting it in the right way? I feel like I am.
Push really hard.
Hang on, maybe it goes this way. No, it definitely does not go that way. Does it? No. I don't want to do it. It doesn't feel right. And the thing did not snap up. I'm gonna try a different one. I don't like that one. Am I putting it in the right side though? Like,
you have 4 of them, so they're all gonna go in whatever one. It doesn't matter.
So
you'll probably have to stand up and push down.
No way! What are you talking about? There's little babies underneath here.
Yeah, you gotta snap in ram pretty hard. So
I'm getting scared. I thought this was gonna be easy. This part.
I mean, it's supposed to be.
It's not easy. It's not easy. Okay, let me try maybe this one. Maybe that one's just complicated. That one's got a complex. Why does it feel so... Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, I feel you. Okay, fine. Well, that one went in just fine, and it snapped up like you said it would. Okay, it's a win. Okay, this is not so bad. I think it was just maybe I was starting on the other one, like closer to the edge of the board. I didn't want to push as hard. I don't know. Okay, in.
All right, next go get the hard drive.
Well, this is not at all what I thought this was going to look like. I thought this was going to look like the external hard drive. Okay. Where do I find that screw?
There should be a bag of screws in the box.
Oh my god, this? This tiny little thing? Rexy could have eaten this and walked away. Like, what? This? M2. M.2 screw. I know that word. Yes, look at that. Look at that. It was just on the floor. In a bag. In a little tiny bag. Wow. Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. The screw keeps sticking in my fingers. What the flip? Why does this have to be so small? Why does this have to be so small? And then it sticks to the fucking thing. I don't know. How tight does it need to be? It's in there.
Just enough to hold it down.
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay. Okay. So the cool thing about the cooler is it's actually really easy to install for this. You just have to swap out a bracket. So go get the cooler.
Someone said, Jesus Christ, stop scowling. This thing? I'm concentrating.
No, the AIO cooler.
Oh, this is the part I'm scared of. How am I gonna put this all in the PC though?
Oh, so it's gonna like sit over to the side, and I mean, because you're gonna have to put the fans on it and everything, but it'll sit over the side of the case, and then you mount the motherboard, and after the motherboard's already mounted in there, then you'll just attach the
Where's the
radiator
liquid?
to the top. The liquid's in there already. In your hand
Yeah.
is the pump.
Okay.
At the bottom of the pump, like there's the cold plate, and just above the cold plate, which is the copper plate, there's a black bracket that's gonna slide out.
Let me tell you right now, this thing is not sliding anywhere. I'm like, is this delicate? Am I gonna break? Like, I'm worried I'm gonna break this and like antifreeze is.
The thing's solid metal. You
need to use force to pull those out and put them in the AMD bracket. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. It'll take.
Use force, but where do I? Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, it says AMD on it. Okay, and how do I put this back in? Wait, I feel like it goes
slide
this
it
way.
in the same way that you slid the other one out.
Like this?
It'll go all the way in, and then.
Someone said that's a solid plate. It's not going to go through. You have a pump in the way. Oh, I get what he means though, because it's not open on one end like the other piece was. The other piece was open. So what the heck? I see what he's saying. Like this part had like an open piece and this one doesn't. See? It's a back plate. Why is it?
Oh yeah, no, you don't need
the
echo. Yeah,
is there an echo?
Okay, look at the picture that I just posted.
Okay.
This is there's the bracket.
Oh, so I don't need this.
Yeah.
So what the hell? Why'd you say yes then, huh? Oh, this one. I said the spidery looking one. This one. Okay. This looks more correct. Okay, but the bracket for the liquid cooling, I'm getting frustrated. Like I'm peaking in frustration right now. It's happening. Yeah. Why is this not working? It doesn't want to, like, I feel like I'm going to break it if I push it anymore. Like this is as far as it will go before it starts like
put it close to your webcam so I can see if there's something in there.
Like I'm pushing it down like this and it doesn't want to go anymore. Okay, so upside down. I'm not breaking it by doing it this way, am I?
No, it's just a flat piece of metal. I don't understand why it wants.
Look, like literally, like no issue, snaps into place, hella satisfying. Like did you hear that click? Like it's fine like this, but the instructions are telling me to do it the other. No, they're not. No, they're not. Wait. Yeah, the instructions want the clips to be up. They want it to be up.
There's no resistance.
It like literally feels like it's not. It feels like it's gonna break it or like it doesn't fit. It like I know what it is. It's because this is too tight. Like where the two little like screw brackets or whatever are, this circular thing that's this circle of metal I'm trying to fit it around is too big. It's not going. Okay. All right, what the fuck?
We can use your pliers then and just kind of bend them out a little bit.
What? Yeah, it's like what the fuck? It doesn't fit.
So the pump itself is.
It should fit, but like, if by squeezing these two pumps on the side, am I gonna break those?
No, it should be.
This is so annoying. No, like this is so stupid.
That's so weird.
It's not. It works fine the other direction. I don't understand.
Yeah, so grab your pliers and bend them out a little. It's fine. I promise it's fine.
I'm nervous about that. I feel like that's not supposed to. It doesn't want to do that. The chat is screaming no right now. A
What
lot
else
of
is she
people.
gonna do, Chad?
A lot of people are saying no.
No, listen. It's a piece of metal. This is what we gotta do. As long as they're straight vertical.
But I feel like it's. But I don't understand though, because it's not like this bracket came with my motherboard or something, and it's trying to fit onto this. These came in the same package. It's supposed to just click in.
Yeah.
This doesn't make sense to me. This is so stupid. All right, so dude's donation was pretty reassuring here. Barbecue Rice, thanks for your 18 months. He's just saying like, he says it feels like it.
What was that? Did it go in there? There it goes.
Okay.
All right, it's in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess.
Wow. Using the pliers worked.
No, I didn't. No, don't tell chat to suck it because I didn't use them. I didn't bend it at all. No, I put it on there and it didn't feel right to me. Did this thing just need to warm up or something? I didn't even really push that hard.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't.
It's on there the right direction.
Yeah, I didn't use that. I didn't use the pliers because I felt scared and.
Okay, cool. Even better.
Okay,
all right,
it
now,
just went in. I don't know. I mean, I feel like the pins are right. That's the only way you can sit.
It's facing the right direction.
No, but the pins are in the correct like receptacles, if you will. Because it can't sit any which way. It's not going down farther enough. Check if the pins are bent. They're not bent. Take this. Everyone's saying take it out.
Yeah, take it out. Do you have? You still don't have an air can, do you? Hello?
KTruth?
Yes. Is there a bent pin in there?
There's like 2 or 3 bent pins on the edge.
I can't see.
I know you can't see. I don't even think I can show that to you. Like, I don't even think I can show that to you. On the edge here, on this corner, there's 3. Right here. Yeah, they're bent. The fuck? I was so careful with this. How did this happen though? I was so careful with this stupid thing. Listen, they shouldn't make things this delicate in the world, okay? This is not okay. Oh, I can use those tweezers.
Yes.
Alright, surgery time. Okay, chat. No, okay, and you. Everybody in this fucking room. Listen to me. This is a normal pin. When I say it's bent, they're like this. Like, just like, like, barely. Barely. It's not like it's like...
Yeah, you should be able to easily fix that with just a really fine head.
Well, they're saying like
screwdriver that you have.
They're saying don't use metal, which does make sense to me. First time PC building and first time, is it Ryzen or Ryzen? R9 3900X surgery.
Yeah, Ryzen. Yeah.
Ryzen.
Yeah, it is. That's what you're doing too. You're doing surgery.
Like all of the other, actually a pin like another row back is like slightly bent in the same corner. The end one as well.
Okay.
But like these are like barely bent.
Which is good because it means you have to barely push them.
That doesn't seem good to me. Honestly, that one's in a better... Okay, I overextended it, and then I put it back, and now it seems fine.
Okay.
Now I'm going back to the other one, because there's 2 bent ones, right? There's 2. I was trying to... Goddamn, I'm like accidentally cleaning my nails with it. This is AIDS. Why did this happen to me?
I'll be honest, bent pins was not something I anticipated, but you're doing fine.
That's bullshit, and you know what? This is so fucked up. I'm probably bending other ones in the process. No, I'm not. It looks straight to me. Try putting it in the socket. Okay, but this is my problem. This is the issue here, guys. Is that I did that, and it felt like it went in properly.
Okay.
How am I supposed to? Like,
tension rod up, set it in there.
Okay,
and just
hang on.
wiggle it.
hold on a second. With the fucking Jason Derulo lyrics or whatever the hell have you. Listen. This thing right here, is that supposed to indicate the fucking triangle?
Yes.
That little Pac-Man? Right there? The Pac-Man thing?
Yep.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold up. I need the chair. I'm losing it. Wait, but
I think
what
it
do I
was
do
better
about this
for you.
though? There's a little bit of nail gunk. Remember how I was using my nail? It's like a little bit of gunk from my nail on there. Okay, I got it. Let's cleaning my house today. Okay, like I fixed it. These are straight. I just tried moving these stupid pins, and they're not that easy to move.
That's what I mean. That's why I think it came that way. I don't think you bent.
Oh yeah. It's sitting perfectly. It sits perfectly now. Fuck you. It came that way, and I fixed it. Yeah. It sits perfectly. It went flat. Like I can't even see any pins. Okay, push it down.
Perfect. All right, tension rod down.
Fuck you, bitch. Oh my god. I think like it literally just went in perfectly. So it came bent?
Yeah, apparently.
That's so stupid. Honestly, guys, because it didn't do that the first time. It was like kind of janky. A little bit. 2 hours later and we're at step 2. Look at me already fixing broken parts. I fixed that! You know how good that feels?
This is the part of the build where I hope you were good at that Fisher Price box where you put the shapes in the box. Because that's where that comes into play.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know, the little box where you put the star in the star and the circle in the circle and the... You never played with one of those when you were good? When you were like 4?
I just fixed my pins, okay? That's it. So good. I'm a genius. I'm gonna take this up as a hobby. Anyone want me to build their PC? This was fun. I want to do this again.
So before you look at all the cables, look at the motherboard first.
Is this gonna be my PC's power cable? Like for the... Oh, it is! It's like his umbilical cord. That's nice. Okay, anyways. Why not have a person build it? What am I, a cow? Oh my god, I'm terrified. Is that where the electrocution risk is?
Yes, technically that's where the risk is. Your risk is very low.
What was that response just now? Hang on a second. I didn't actually think that was going to be a yes.
Anything where we're actually dealing with power, yes, that's where risk is.
But then how am I turning this? Why am I turning this on then when it's sitting on my on a plastic bag that seems dangerous?
You're at less of risk having it be on electric static bag than being in a metal cage. Two 4 pins on there.
I guess that's plugged in right. Feels wrong to leave this just like hanging there, but
it's okay. It's not gonna matter.
Okay, and then?
Okay, so you're gonna plug the opposite sides into the power supply now?
Oh my god. I don't want to do this on like my mouse pad. This feels wrong. Like, isn't that like a fire hazard?
No.
Like, if I turn this on right now, is that not a fire hazard?
Gala, you're gonna be using like...
Wait, hold on a second. I'll be right back!
What in...
Okay!
You seriously went and got a fire hydrant? Or a fire extinguisher, rather?
I take no risks, okay? Now, what do I do with this?
I love it. I love it. Safety for you better go get some goggles, too.
I don't have any safety goggles anymore. Okay, now I put this in the power supply.
Yeah, plug all of them in the power supply.
Okay.
Yeah, those are literally the most painful. Okay, now, go get the graphics card.
How the hell do I plug this into...
It's gonna be heavy.
The fuck?
Slide it into the slot, and just like with the RAM,
like
the
this?
little latch is gonna latch around the back of it.
What the? This one. This. Wait. Can you see?
The big long one.
This one, right next to the hard drive? Right next to it.
Yep, yep.
Okay, how hard do I press this?
Pretty hard.
It's not gonna break?
Nope.
It feels like I'm doing it wrong.
Nope, I'm watching it. It's going in right. Push.
I didn't hear it click. Oh, but I don't know if the pins... Do I just clicked the pin up. Is it supposed to come up by itself?
Yeah, no, as long as that pin latches, you're in good shape.
Pull pin, hold unit upright. Stand back. Okay, so I just pull the pin. I pull the pin out and then just let it rip. I just want to make sure because I'm not making this is not a joke right now. This is not a bit.
Do not pull that pin.
Okay.
If you pull that pin and that latch is too heavy, that thing will just go nuts. So only pull that,
can you imagine?
only pull that pin if you absolutely need to pull that pin.
Okay, so but you just pull the pin and then you use the okay. As long as I know how to use it, because I don't want to be having a fire and then be reading that instruction manual, okay?
We are not going to have a fire.
Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Okay, got it. You're sure this is safe?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, this isn't plugged into anything. Isn't this supposed to be in something?
What is this?
This is the big one. What the fuck? Wasn't this plugged in?
That needs to be plugged into the back of the...
When did this come out? I swear I plugged that in.
Make sure the power supply's off.
Oh. Well, it's off, but should I unplug it? I already plugged that in. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, my heart. Oh my god. I don't want to do this. Oh my god.
Right, it could literally fall
Oh Jesus, what the heck? No, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit.
I told you to get an extension.
Oh my god. I just had the biggest rush of adrenaline ever.
I promise after you do it, you're going to be like, wow, that's really awesome.
A 30-second thing turned into a 20-minute thing and almost destruction of a PC. Okay. That comment gave me the nerve to do this. Okay, I'm not ready. I'm sorry. I'm afraid. Can someone come over and do this for me, please?
You got this.
Okay. And then the monitor is going to turn on?
You might have to turn the monitor back on because it probably turned itself off by now.
Okay, I'm doing it. Oh, I'm scared. Nothing happened. I'm too scared. I'm turning it off. The power supply fan did not move. No lights happened.
Might not.
I smell toast. Okay, I turned it on. Nothing happened.
Nothing happened when you push the pins?
No, I didn't touch those pins yet. I don't want to do that yet.
Nothing's gonna happen until you do that. Nothing's gonna happen until you touch those pins.
Okay. We gotta full send it, okay?
Yes.
I can't do it! Okay, fine. Oh my god, I'm gonna get electrocuted. I need rubber gloves. Can I go get a rubber glove?
If you want, but you don't need
smoke! What smoke?
There's no smoke anywhere.
Okay. Why does she have a screwdriver? Because I'm hot wiring my PC. This is the type of shit we're doing in here today. I want the longer screwdriver. I feel too close to it.
Yeah, use the longer one. I don't know why you picked that tiny one. I don't know why you picked the tiny one.
I felt like I had more control.
You're just touching the end to the 2 pins. All you gotta do.
I'm too scared. I can't do it. People are typing boom.
Guys, come on.
No. I'm such a priss. I'm not a priss. I'm just afraid of like electricity and stuff. And I feel like
it's okay.
I mean, that's the way to get me to do stuff. You have to like bully me into it. So this is kind of the right. He's got the right idea. Okay, fine. Oh shit, it turned on. It's turning on. It's turning on.
Alright, move the screwdriver.
The fans are moving! The little fan on the bag is moving though. Is that bad? Should I lift it up? Oh.
It's fine. Turn your monitor on.
Okay. Okay, it's doing the thing. Hello? Is it? Can I turn it off yet? Can I turn it off yet? Can I turn it off yet? They're saying my CPU is gonna burn! It just says AMD Ryzen 12 core processor, blah, 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 blah. Detected, advices. Can I turn it off? I want to turn it off. I'm scared.
Yeah, just flip the switch.
Yeah? We're good? It works? It worked? Yes?
I mean, kinda. We gotta boot into BIOS first.
I don't want to do it. I want to turn it off.
Okay, but I want to...
Okay. I take a picture. I don't want my CPU to just burn up into a million pieces. Is it getting hot? Okay, what do you want me to do now?
Just flip the switch on the power supply.
Oh, okay. Whew. Can I touch the CPU? The CPU's hot as fuck.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot as fuck. Like
it's hot. I'm like, my hand is over as warm.
Yeah. Well, it's normal operating temperature is gonna be about 36 C. So that's like, it's still gonna be too hot for you to touch it.
Yeah, but how do I know it's not melting through the plastic?
Because it would be over 110 C if it was doing
It's hot. It's like I'm holding my hand over it. It's warm.
Yeah. That's
I need
cold.
to? Okay, but we just
cold if you can do that.
No.
If you can do that, that's cold. Like 110 C is dangerous.
Oh, that's hot touches again.
The only thing that I can't see is if it sees the hard drive or not.
I mean, it must though, because it's there. I see it. What'd I do?
If you wanted to, that little disc that's in the little bag, like right in front of you, that can go on top of the pump.
Why?
It's just for aesthetic. Like if you don't want it to say Lee and Lee, and you just want to see like a ring of the LEDs that are on the outside of the pump, that just covers the logo.
Aren't magnets bad for PCs? Okay. Where am I even gonna put this case?
You're probably gonna have to assemble it on the floor.
This guy put you on veteran difficulty. That's funny.
Okay, you're gonna take that cover that you just took off.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna get the 4 screws that came with the power supply, and you're gonna screw that into the back of it.
What screws that came with the power supply?
It came with 4 screws.
Holy actually ask me if I know where that is. Just 4 screws? It was in a bag, 4 screws. That's it.
Yep.
Oh, jeez.
Probably. It was the only screws that came with it. So.
5 chapters ago when you threw stuff.
I mean, they're going to be the same size. You could use those, but normally you wouldn't use like the thumb kind. What
do you mean? This isn't the right screws?
Yeah, I don't think that. No, I don't think.
The black ones on the table? Which black ones?
I think they are black. I think they match the car.
You sure it came with... Oh, wait, here. These little ones.
Yes.
Yeah, they're like... Yeah. Okay. I got them. Tiny.
Okay, so you're going to line up those screws with the back of the power supply, and you're going to attach it to that bracket that you just took off.
I just need to know if that little circle that sticks out is going on the bottom or the top. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Sweet. Okay, yeah, the circle on the bottom it looks like it's on the bottom.
I didn't just drop 2 of the screws. Uh-oh. Oh, I dropped 2 of the screws and I don't know where one of them went. Oh, I found it. No, I didn't. That's not it. One of them disappeared. Oh, this is the keyboard. Okay, I got it. Alright, so I guess, like, don't drop it. Wait, which, like, does the RAM go like this? Like this?
So you're just gonna line up the I/O shield with the I/O shield, like with the I/O, on the back of the motherboard.
Okay. Holy smokes! Motherboard out.
Yep. Flip the case over.
To like standing position.
Nope. Opposite position it's in.
Okay. What's all this? Okay. And then?
Okay, now
what the? Why would they put this here? Like, this is so stupid. Like some sort of, I just spit chips into my case. Like some sort of hide and seek bull. Like, What the?
Yeah.
It's literally screwed in here. I have to take it out with a screwdriver. Why? Just put it in the box. This is ridiculous. Look, it's hidden. Can you guys see this? I don't know if you can see this. Ow, my knees. I'm gonna have bruises. Like, look, it's here. In here. This is ridiculous. That is so unnecessary. I'm getting cramp in my foot. Ugh. Okay, you guys are seeing like high fatigue me right now, okay? So frustrating. I like look and like some of them line up, but then other ones don't. What the heck?
Okay, then we might have to move a couple of the standoffs.
What?
So in that same...
like they're all in the right spot, but
okay.
like they're just barely off where like the screw won't line up properly. But they're in the right approximate spot. It's just like shimmying it. You know what I mean? I can't tell if I'm doing this right.
Usually helps if you do it kind of the same way you would change a tire. That way the motherboard doesn't move all over the place. Was that a look like I've never changed a tire? Because I don't believe that.
Yeah, I've never changed a tire.
What?
I've never blown a tire.
Everybody should know how to change a tire.
I know how to change oil. I don't know how to change a tire.
You can change your oil, but you can't change your tire.
Yeah.
Usually goes the other way around.
Oh my goodness, what the heck? Why is this the annoying part? This is supposed to be easy. Cross pattern. Yeah, that's a good idea. Never changed a tire, you call yourself a streamer? Yeah. So dumb. Okay. Oh, next.
Alright, motherboard's in.
Yes, sir.
Alright, now we do cable management.
Holy smokes, there's like a whole crazy amount of wires back here. What do all these do? Whoa!
Are they loose or are they connected to things?
Well, I can't exactly tell you. Oops.
Oh yeah, no, that's like pre-cable managed.
Oh.
So like, just track the cables that you need and then kind of stuff them all back.
With the bread ties? Whoop. I cannot see this other one. Like, I lost it. It's not here anymore.
Well, they were all plugged into the same.
I know. Right? I don't know where it went. I took it out and it's not here anymore. What the flip? Now I can't get the individual one back. Okay. Good. I never want to touch those tiny ones again. Okay.
Shouldn't have to. Unless you put them in the wrong orientation, but I don't think so.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all. So you're gonna take out the first 3 brackets on the back of the case, like closest to the CPU. And you're gonna need those.
What, these brackets here?
Uh-huh.
How are you saying uh-huh? You didn't even see what I was pointing at.
I see what you're looking at.
Like, I know there's a bit more of a delay than that. Like that. This is fucking stupid. I'm gonna rage at this. Okay, I'm taking off the headset for a second. I can't hear you. Get out of here! Get out of here. Go over there. I'm sick of this. Oh.
I'm trying to see.
I need someone to hold this while I do this. This is crazy. Come hither. Fuck. My God. I'm getting so frustrated.
Ladies and gents, this is a true champion right here. You have been powering through this.
This is so ridiculous. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm putting these through the back of the case. Is this the back? This is the top of the case. What am I doing? What the fuck? I got all turned around because I rotated the case. This is the top. Fuck. And I guess that's not gonna stand?
I mean, not permanently, no.
Ugh. Ugh. I was like, this is working so perfectly. It seems too good to be true. Yeah, but it's impossible to know if you did it right. I was supposed to trust some rando to do this for me? Yeah, right. Fuck that. Oh my god. I'd rather my randomness than anything else. How the fuck am I supposed to do this? Just get the kill! I don't understand! I don't get it. I'm forcing it. I don't understand. How is this? How am I supposed to? What the fuck? How am I can't. It won't hook. The easy part won't hook. Like the easy side won't do it. I don't understand. I think I'm gonna die. Like, my back is actually killing me. That was my phone case on the floor. Jesus, just go. Go. It like won't let me start the thread for the screw. Why? This is obnoxious. Oh, did I finally get it? This PC is not neat. I'm sure I'll come back and like manage the cables more, but
we don't have to worry about cable management 7.5 hours in.
this actually works. My mind's gonna be blown. Oh jeez.
After we clean up your pigsty.
This is a disaster. Look at this. Look at this cable management or lack thereof. Wait, you need the light. Look at that. There's none. Jeez. Yeah, right. I mean, I don't want to do that until we know it works.
Yeah.
You know?
No, right.
Yeah. So plug it in.
Wait. Yeah.
What?
So you did take the plastic off the pump, the cold.
Yeah, I did. Oh my god, that would have been a nightmare. Can you imagine?
I would have died. We would have been like, "What's that smell? Why does it smell like?" And I'm like, "Why does it smell like burning?"
That would have been terrible. Don't even say that. This is the closest I've been to physical activity in the longest time. Like, is it gonna turn on or not? Okay, what do I do?
Hit the button on. Power supply's on, right?
Yeah.
All right, turn on the.
The power button?
Hit the power button. Hit the power button.
Oh shit! Look, it's turned on. It's working.
So far, so good. What's the monitor doing?
I forgot to turn it on. Look! It's doing things!
Alright, hit F1.
Oh shit, I forgot. You need to install Windows. Plug in Windows flash drive. You don't need that for BIOS. There you go. Hey, it doesn't look like the red dragon. What happened to my red dragon?
We could change that.
Fuck yeah. Okay. We here.
Okay.
So I did it right, is what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
That's a really good feeling. This was very rewarding, I have to say. I'm very glad I did
Super
this.
proud.
This was nice. I liked doing this.
I had a feeling you would. I just knew
it took me 8 hours.
That's okay.
But
you had no idea what to expect going into it, and you didn't lose your cool. I think you did great.
Okay, I need to come back to this with fresh eyes tomorrow. My back hurts too much.
Yeah, we're gonna have to trace those chords like individually.
Yeah,
so we're gonna have to fold them out.
Oh, I can't do that right now. I'm exhausted. I'm leaving this as is. Yeah, I'll be able to fix it. It's just right now I'm like too fatigued. Like my back hurts. I'm like too fatigued. I'm tired. What time is it? Like,
it's 5 a.m.
It's 5 a.m. Wow. Jeez. Alrighty. I'm already happy about it, to be honest. Like, I'm already happy about it. Seeing it turn on and, like, seeing, I don't know how to explain it. Like, seeing, like, the lights turn on and stuff and knowing that I just sat here and built this, like, that's pretty crazy. It's pretty good. 8 hours is rookie hours. Listen, I don't feel the need to sit here and stream for 1,000,000 hours a day, okay? I am exhausted. I'm gonna take off now. You guys were dope. Thank you for joining me. We had a lot of people here, like a lot more people. I thought like the whole time I was doing this, I was gonna have like maybe 200 people watching me. We were at like 900 and like for most of it. You guys are nuts. All right, guys. Good night. Thank you for watching. Make sure to go check out my socials if you're new here. Instagram and Twitter. Normally I'm not building PCs. Normally I'm playing Rainbow Six, which is what this bad boy is gonna be for. But yeah, okay guys, good night, get some sleep, and thanks for joining me. This was awesome. This was like a once in a channel time type of stream. First time PC build. Okay, good night guys. Bye bye.